How to fix the Trusted Platform Module, TPM. Hardware failed to execute a TPM command error in Windows 11. Is BitLocker failing, or is Windows Hello throwing errors? The essential security features in Windows 11 rely on the Trusted Platform Module, or TPM, and the error, the Trusted Platform Module, TPM, hardware failed to execute a TPM command, can cripple your system. We'll show you how to fix it. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Diagnosing the TPM command execution failure. First, let's diagnose the failure. This error signals a communication breakdown between Windows and the TPM chip, often due to corrupted keys or firmware conflicts. Before any repair, remember the prerequisites. You need administrator rights and must suspend BitLocker. Our first step, method 1, is a status check. Open the TPM Management Console by typing TPM.MSC. Look for the status. TPM is not available, or TPM has malfunctioned, means it's time to clear the module. Clearing and resetting the Trusted Platform Module. Our next step is a complete reset. Clearing the TPM resets it to factory defaults, removing corrupted keys that cause execution failures. You have two options for clearing. Method 2 uses the graphical console. In TPM.MSC, navigate to Actions and select Clear TPM. Method 3 is for IT pros and power users, using elevated PowerShell. First, run get-wmi object to check TPM status. Then, run the command clear-tpm. Remember to reboot after either method. If the error persists after clearing, the root cause is likely a firmware level or driver level issue. Resolving firmware and driver conflicts. If clearing the TPM doesn't work, we move to the hardware level. Method 4 is updating your BIOS/UEFI firmware. This is a high-risk process, but it's often necessary to resolve initialization and incompatibility issues. Download the latest firmware from your OEM and ensure the TPM, Intel PTT, or FTPM setting is enabled in the BIOS after the update. Method 5 addresses potential driver corruption. Open Device Manager, expand Security Devices, right-click Trusted Platform Module 2.0 and choose Uninstall Device. Reboot, and Windows will automatically reinstall a clean driver. Why this fix matters. Restoring Windows 11 security. Resolving this TPM error is essential because the TPM is the foundation for almost all modern Windows security. Without a functioning TPM, features like BitLocker encryption, Windows Hello, and Credential Guard may fail or become unavailable, exposing you to compliance risks and service disruptions, such as unexpected BitLocker recovery prompts. Once the TPM is fixed, always verify security features are re-enabled, especially reviewing event viewer logs for event ID 14 or 1794 and re-enabling secure boot if required. Don't let a faulty TPM prevent your system from meeting security policies. By troubleshooting and resolving these execution errors, you help ensure the stability, security, and compliance of your Windows 11 endpoint. We recommend regularly monitoring TPM status to catch issues early. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to fix the Trusted Platform Module, TPM, hardware failed to execute a TPM command, error in Windows 11, linked in the description below.